Hello, I'm Jiaying. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a pancake recipe I've adapted from Smitten Kitchen's website. I like this recipe because it is fuss-free and does not require a ton of utensils to make. I've included a link to the original website and recipe in the description box below. I have also included exact quantities of the ingredients I've used in the description box, so please check them out. To make the pancakes, you would need all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, egg, brown butter, sugar, vanilla extract. The recipe also calls for buttermilk, but because I do not have buttermilk on hand, I have proceeded to use a buttermilk substitute and leftover store-bought kefir that I have left in my pantry. To make the buttermilk substitute, add half tablespoon of lemon juice to half cup of whole milk and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Never having to part, for summer is for falling in love. In a large bowl, whisk brown butter and sugar until combined. This lightness of being, we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever. Then whisk in the egg until the mixture is frothy. For falling in love, summer is for falling in love. Next, add in vanilla, salt, baking soda, and buttermilk and mix until combined. We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. Next, add in the plain flour and stir until just combined. I have added the kefir milk at this stage just after I added the plain flour because I forgot to add it in earlier, but it still works, so therefore I just proceeded on. If you do not have kefir milk on hand, you can also use 100% buttermilk substitute and the recipe would still work. To cook the pancakes, you can melt
a little bit of butter in a non-stick pan, add a couple of tablespoons of batter, pancake batter, into the pan, and then once you see that small little bubble surface on the top, the pancakes are actually ready to be flipped over and cooked on the other side.
Fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Da-dun-da-dun-day. Summer is for falling in love. We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink, we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. This lightness of being, we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But
Once the pancakes are cooked, plate them in a plate of your choice and serve them with a mixture of berries or berries of your choice, and add maple syrup to it, and enjoy it with a hot cup of tea.
Falling in love, da-dun-da-dun-day. Summer is for falling in love. We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue.
Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the recipe. And if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when my new video is up. Till then, see you next time. Take care, bye!